In this video, I will show you how you can check if the display of your iPad is original or fake. Now to do that, first of all, just open the control center, then tap on the brightness slider. And from here, just increase and decrease the brightness of your iPad and check if the brightness slider is working properly or not. Now, if you increase or decrease the brightness of the screen, and if you have noticed that the brightness slider is not working properly, then this indicates that the screen of your iPad is most likely fake. And also over here, just check if True Tone is working on your iPad or not. If True Tone is not working, then the display of your iPad is fake. And also there is another method to check whether the display of your iPad is original or fake. For that, just open any drawing tool. Over here, just draw on the screen of your iPad using the Apple Pencil. Now just check if the Apple Pencil is working properly or not. Now if you have noticed that the Apple Pencil is not working smoothly on the screen of your iPad, then this indicates that the screen of your iPad is most likely fake. Now the next method depends on the model of your iPad. If your iPad has an OLED display, now to check an OLED display, just open any black image in a dark room. Now the screen should look completely black as it is turned off. But if you have noticed that after you open a black image on the screen of your iPad, and if the screen of your iPad starts glowing even on the black screen, then this indicates that the screen of your iPad is fake and it is not OLED. OLED displays should be pitch black when you open a black image, as the pixels on the black spots should be turned off. But if you have an iPad with an LCD display, then just open any white page on the screen of your iPad, then look at the edges of the display. Now, in fake LCD displays, you will find light bleeding. Like the light of the iPad will not be even all around the display. Some parts will be a bit brighter and some other parts might be a bit darker. Now for the last method, just go to the settings. Now under settings, just tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on about. Now over here, if you find any notification which says unknown part, just like this. Now this type of errors only appear when the screen of your iPad has been replaced by a third-party repair shop and the repair shop or the repair center is not supported by Apple. So your iPad will show an unknown parts error over here, which indicates that the display of your iPad has been replaced by someone other than Apple. And this is how you can check if the display of your iPad is original or fake. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.